So there it is, starter pack breakfast. Two main options here. Make your breakfast and fully loaded menu. You can make your own breakfast, and then there's the fully loaded menu. Comes with bread roll, another pastry, sugar, milk, fruit, boiled egg with ground pepper, cutlery. So this is like the packaged version, already packaged. So let's go to the make your breakfast. It's quite interesting. So at the top you have sandwiches, cereal, pastries, protein, fruits, fruit juice, and add-on. So on the sandwich you have ham and cheese. You have the price here, the quantities. So here you can, the ham and cheese, you can add the quantity. I think the maximum is there. Maximum? Nope. There's no maximum, so not bad. So what else do we have? Tuna. These are sandwiches: tuna, chicken sandwich, club sandwich. So they have 4 sandwiches. Let's go to cereal: Weetabix, cornflakes, Rice Krispies, Cocoa Pops, oats, Tom Brown, wheat, rice porridge, Ikwebimi, Ablayo, tapioca, Hausa cocoa. And you got pastries: waffles, pancake, plain muffins, chocolate muffins, bread roll, croissant, cinnamon roll, Rockies, jam roll, sausage roll, plain donut. Then you got protein. You got bacon, sausage, zwan, boiled egg, poached egg, sunny side egg, plain omelet, tomato onion omelet, tomato onion green pepper omelet. And we got fruits: watermelon, pineapple, apple, orange, banana local, banana foreign, mixed fruits. We got some fruit juice: watermelon, pineapple, orange, pineapple ginger, tropical, coconut water. We got some add-ons like pick milk, ideal milk, white sugar, brown sugar, butter, pick milk, milk powder. All right, so you have all these, and basically you just you pick what you want to pick: sandwich, cereal, pastry, the quantity, and they'll just have it delivered. Okay, let me try something. Let's do sandwiches. Let me pick 2 ham sandwich, one tuna. All right, so let me do that. 2 ham sandwich. Okay, 1 tuna. I just press here, and 1 chicken. So here, 2 ham and cheese sandwiches, 1 tuna sandwich, and 1 chicken sandwich. Total is 44 cedis. Then at the top right, I click done. Successfully added. Your custom breakfast has been added to your cart. Good. Then we go to the cart down here. Then okay, so these are the items I picked. I check. I think I picked 3 of these. Let me just take this one off. All right, this is just a trial anyway. So over here in the shopping cart, you can modify the options again. So that's good. So you can make changes here. Then you go to checkout. Now in the checkout, okay, it says there's delivery and payment. Okay, in the delivery, service ends at 11 a.m. Any order made after 11 a.m. will be ready the next day. Please note that we are closed on weekends. So for delivery, please note that this attracts a delivery fee. For the pickup from a vendor close to you. Over here, there's a list of vendor locations basically. Okay, let's go now to the fully loaded menu. All right, fully loaded menu. These are already pre-packed and they're all 10 cedis. Okay, so you have 6 items. So if you select one, let's say Tom Brown. So it comes with bread roll, another pastry, sugar mill, fruit, boiled egg, ground pepper, and cutlery. So this is the package. So you don't have to custom anything. Everything's already pre-packed, pre-selected. Let's go back. So we have wheat. I like Ablayo. Ablayo is my favorite. And that's it, folks. And like I said, I did a review on one of their packages, so you can check it out. I'll put a link in the description. All right, thanks. That's it, man. The starter pack breakfast. The starter pack breakfast. Oh boy, the Starter Pack Breakfast app. Thank you. Let's get out of here. I'm hungry.